Ready to transform your GitHub repositories from chaos to organization? First, let's conquer that initial hurdle: naming conventions. Choose clear and descriptive names. Think about the purpose of your project. Avoid vague names and opt for something that instantly communicates what the repository is about. Consider consistent naming strategies, using hyphens to separate words for better readability. Aim for clarity to attract collaborators. Now let's design a sensible folder structure within your repository. Organize your files and components logically. For example, a web app could use structures such as SCC for source code, docs for documentation, tests for testing code, assets for images and other static files, and a prominent README file at the root of your project. This provides a roadmap for anyone exploring your project. Following, document like a pro. Don't forget a well-crafted readme file. It's the first thing people see. Explain your project's purpose, how to set it up, and how to use it. Include clear instructions and relevant links. Also, consider adding comments within your code to enhance readability and understanding for anyone who reads your code. Finally, embrace collaboration. Utilize GitHub's collaboration tools for optimal project management. Communicate with others. Use branches as a way of not altering the main branch, and open issues to work through project problems. Remember, organizing your GitHub repository is an investment in your project's longevity and your team's productivity. Making it accessible and easy to understand for everyone by adopting these practices, you're setting your project up for success.